Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. If your family is into birding like ours is, then you're gonna love. This is the National Wildlife Federation Field Guide to Birds of North America. Check it out. You start with this cool map. Map key tells you where the birds, the migration, the seasons. It's just amazing. Let me show you. One of my favorites that we have here in Texas is a Mississippi kite, okay? So you have real photos, depictions of adult, sometimes the juvenile, or the difference between what the male and female look like. You have map breeding, seasonal migrations, where they're native to. I love it because it tells you details, easy to read, easy to find, and easy to travel with. It's a waterproof cover, which makes it nice because we always have it in and out of the car when we're traveling. Great to read and learn so much. So when you guys are ready to expand your knowledge on birds and have some fun with your family, look at the National Wildlife Federation Field Guide to Birds of North America. And that is my point of view.